Today we're going to be installing the fuel pump of our Mini Cooper S 2005. I took it out before. I didn't show you how to take it out, but yeah, you could back step it and see if it works. I'm going to pull out the new one and see if it matches with all of them. After pulling out the new one, I could see that everything matches. The hose is the same, this is the same, the lever is on the same position on the back. The covers are the same, and it has the connector for the fuel level position. Okay, so what we're gonna do is install it into the Mini Cooper. Okay, like I was telling you, I already have removed it, so I took the cover off, and what it has is 5 volts of 10 millimeters. This inside the connection, the tube, the fitting that you're gonna connect the main hose, and this is the gas line, the return line, and this is the electrical that you're gonna be connecting the wire. So I'm gonna connect it now, and afterwards we're gonna put the gasket so it in place. Okay. When you place it in, make sure that you put the lever first, little by little. Wiggle it until you go in, and then you make the connections to the lines. Connect the clip, fit the fitting, and then put the clip on. The clip is on, and then put the hose on this fitting, on the white fitting. So you connect the hose into the fitting, and then you have to put everything back. Screw the cover in. Make sure you hit it with a screwdriver to tighten it up. Connect the pin, the pin connector, okay. Connect the cover, and then put all the screw back, all the nuts. You should tighten all of them, all the way around. And then you're going to be ready to start.